Hey guys, I got my old machine back. It's an old cigarette machine, fag machine. Um, well, I don't smoke on it, but I used to be chewing gums in there, but they stopped making them, and now I'm gonna change it into a sweet chocolate machine. Like, at the moment, I haven't quite done it yet. At the moment, I've got two labels. I got a Fredo Diamond and a Whisper beer. I got pot. I put Diamond Fredo caramel over there. Kit Kat and Mars Spot going to be there. I don't know if now getting a bit dented because it cannot hinges, and when I put the hinges back on, it won't close, so I had to bend them so it and like it's secured. Yeah, my machine's still go. I'm gonna put them on because the point that one's full. I did for these three up and that one. I have got two machines coming soon. One called Deal No Deal, can it be the bank card, £5 jackpot, 10p play, 78% payout. Second one is called Can You Dig It, £70 jackpot, 25p, 50p pound play, 78% payout. I'm going to change that Can You Dig It jackpot to £5. I got another machine coming as well, I don't know how to have it. It's like a quiz machine, and you can put on a table, you can put pound in it, it's like an old one it is. Yeah. I'm gonna change that, hopefully, and I'll show you it, to like all different chocolate labels and all that. I gotta do that picture soon, show you how to fill it. And in the meantime, and that's it. I had that getting me from a pub. It's a £100 jackpot card for this machine, and that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. More videos coming soon, and goodbye.